Imagine a cough syrup so trusted, it was advertised for children its label reading heroin, promising relief and comfort. In the early 1900s, Bayer marketed heroin as a non-addictive remedy for coughs and pain, even distributing free samples to doctors. Back then, opiate medicines were everywhere, and their dangers were poorly understood. But soon, doctors noticed patients becoming dependent, and by 1912, heroin addiction was widespread. The U.S. responded with the Harrison Narcotics Tax Act in 1914, and later, heroin was banned for non-medical use. This story reminds us why rigorous drug testing and regulation matter so much today.